We are just checking into the accessible suite at Encore by Mingara. And this room is so enormous, it absolutely blew me away when I opened the door. Here we have a kitchenette, which has everything lowered in it, which is great. There's a microwave, there's a little mini fridge, everything you could want really, just for a short stay. Then we have a bed, which is set up at the moment as a king size bed, but it can be made a two twin beds. There's room underneath for a hoist. There's so much space, there's extra seating, which is always nice to see. Then we have lowered hanging space and a safe. Then in the bathroom, a toilet with grab rails, backrest. Lovely to see the shower head lowered when we arrived. There's a shower bench and the amenities are nice and close to the shower bench for once. All the towel rails are lowered as well. And room under the sink for transferring. So I think we'll be super comfortable. Because there's 4 of us, we also have an interconnecting room.